Pharmacy technicians were already immunizing. In fact, before the pandemic, there were 7 states that allowed pharmacy technicians to immunize. But then came the pandemic. It was quickly recognized on a federal level that pharmacy technicians were well poised to assist with this monumental task that now lies at our doorstep. I am proud to say that PharmCon's training program meets the educational requirements set forth in the federal HHS guidance. Participants in this unique PharmCon program will pair with an on-site authorized immunizing pharmacist to complete the hands-on portion required by the federal guidance. Accompanying the 6-hour module comes a complimentary overview of COVID-19 vaccinations specifically, affording the participant up to 8 hours of ACPE accredited immunization-specific continuing education credits. We're so happy that you are becoming part of the solution. Join us today.